What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another math puzzle. In this one, the question is pretty simple. What is x plus y? So, of course, we have these two little pyramids, if you will, that you have to find out what is x, what is y, add them together, and that will be your solution. Now, if you notice in the two pyramids, they have the same pattern going on. So the question first is to figure out what's going on here in terms of the pattern, and then you can apply that to this pyramid and hopefully solve for x plus y. Hit that pause button and see if you can figure it out. When you're ready, hit play and I'll give you the explanation. Alright guys, so before we begin, just a quick shout out to Mind Your Decisions, the YouTube channel, as they had posted a question that is similar to this. That's where I got the inspiration for this puzzle. So without further ado, let's get into it. Now, when we look at this pyramid on the left hand side, what is happening? Well, you might notice that the sum of these two here is equal to the value directly above those two. Same here, 7 plus 11 is 18, and then we come to the last two, 18 plus 12 is 30, and that's the pattern. So we're gonna have the same thing here. Now, knowing that pattern, we can make a system of equations, right? We can say that 15 plus x is equal to z, so I'm gonna write that out here. We can also say x plus 5 is equal to y, and last but not least, we can say z plus y is equal to 70. Now, we can of course solve this algebraically if you'd like, and you can basically use this triple system and use elimination or substitution or a combination thereof and figure out what x and y are. But there's another strategy that it's a little bit simpler, okay? I know that x is going to affect z and y, right? Because we know that 15 plus x is z and x plus 5 is y. So watch what we can do. And we also know, since we know that z plus y has to add up to 70, we can sort of tweak x and figure out how to get the right values of z and y. So for example, let's make a little table. If I start with x being a value of 10, I know that z is going to be 25, right? 10 plus 15. And y is going to be 10 plus 5, which is 15. Does 15 plus 25 add up to 70? No, it does not. It only adds up to 40. So right off the bat, I know that x is way too small. So we're going to have to jump it up substantially. Let's try x to be 20, okay? So now we've got 15 plus 20 is z, that is 35. And for y, it's going to be 20 plus 5, which is 25, okay? 25 plus 35 is 60. So that's getting us much closer to the mark, but still a little bit off. Okay, so let's up it again, and I'm going to up it to 25. So now to get z, I do 25 plus 15, which is 40. To get y, I do 25 plus 5, which is 30. And look at that. We get a value of y and z, 30 and 40, that add to 70. So there's our winning answer. So we now know that x is 25, we know that z is going to be 40, and we know that y is going to be 30, which means that x plus y is 25 plus 30, which in this case is 55 for the win. Boom. Done. So just a quick way to show you how I can do this quickly with substitution without even individually solving for x, y, and z. I'm going to show you a quick little trick here using this top equation and this bottom equation, okay? So I know that z equals 15 plus x, and I don't really want z in the mix. I just want x and y. So I'm going to substitute in 15 plus x in for z. So now I have 15 plus x plus y is equal to 70. And this is beautiful because if I'm trying to get x plus y, I have x plus y here. I just have to isolate it by subtracting 15 from both sides, right? And now we're left with x plus y equals 55. So there's a second way to get to the same answer. That's how you do it. Done. I hope you guys enjoyed this math puzzle, and if you did, please click that like button. If you want to see more math puzzles on the regular, make sure to click subscribe. Thank you guys so much for joining, and I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy.